Ever wonder how? Floating nut connectors get welded perfectly on metal flexible hoses. It all comes down to 3 key steps: tilt, purge, and weld. First, tilt. The connector is precisely positioned at an angle for a flawless weld setup. Next, purge. A controlled gas flow eliminates oxidation, ensuring a clean and strong weld. Finally, weld. With pinpoint precision, the Mini Flexi Hose Welder fuses the pieces together, creating a durable, high-quality connection. That's the secret to a rock-solid weld. Tilt, purge, weld. Precision, strength, perfection.